Hello! Greetings! Welcome to Daikas Car Toy. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I hope everyone is in good mood, good condition, and of course, good health. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have another two beautiful vehicles that we gonna unbox today. This one is one of the famous vehicle, and he got a series. They got a series on this on the 80s, and I'm watching this one when I'm a kid. So I'm happy to unbox with you, and let's check it out. Beautiful, nicey, nicey. I love it. I love it. Okay. First, Papa, who recognized this beautiful vehicle? This one is K.I.T.T. And the other car that we're gonna unbox to is K.A.R.R, the rival of K.I.T.T. Okay, let's start with K.A.R.R. What's the meaning of K.A.R.R? From Knight Rider. Is Knight automated uh, revolving robot, if I'm not wrong. Then K.I.T.T. is meaning is Knight Industry 3000. Beautiful. Okay, let's start unboxing K.I.T.T. first. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one in the side while we unboxing K.I.T.T. Okay, we need our special tools. Where is it? Where is it? Okay. I cannot find the pointy one. Okay. Let's use this one. This one gonna work. There you go. There's more tape. Oh, there's more tape over here. Oh, by the way, I want to invite you to watch the second part of the video, the It's Turn Double Time, and we're gonna check more about this beautiful, two beautiful vehicle. Okay. I need the scissor that. Huh? It's not here. What happened? Close open. Okay. This one gonna work. I hope this one gonna work. There's a tape over here that we need to. There you go. That's it. That's it. There you go. Let's pull it out. Tan 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 tan. Hold on. Up. Up. Ooh. Up, 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 up. Pa-pam! Beautiful. There's some paper over here. I don't know what's this. Let's check it out. Okay. Put the box on the side. There's some, let me get my reading glasses so we can see what is this. Okay. I think Knight Rider. Oh, this one is the instruction how to replace the battery, because this vehicle, I'm gonna show it to you later. But first, let's take it off in the platform. That's the only instruction for the battery, how to replace it. Oh, I think this one is wrong. Let's try this one. I think it's a minus. That's not a Philip. Small. Okay, not this one. Maybe this one. There you go. Now we got the right tools. You know, right tools make it easier your job. Okay, take that one off. Put it in the side. Whoop! May tingiling-ling. Okay. 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 Whoop! It's off. There you go. Here's the case. Put that one in the side because we're gonna use it again later for car. Ooh. Run, run. See that? That's what I'm meaning. There you go. I don't know what happened to my other scissor. Okay, one more tape over here. And we almost done on our unboxing, ladies and gentlemen. Then we're gonna check it out about this beautiful vehicle. Okay. Okay. Oh, there's some tape over here. There you go. This one is K.I.T.T. I believe this one is 1982 Pontiac Trans Am, if I'm not wrong. Trans Am. There you go. That's the right word. Beautiful kit from the Night Rider. There you go. Okay, first we're gonna check in the front. This look like a Camaro, you know, on 80s Camaro, Firebird, and Pontiac are almost the same. Almost the body thingy is almost the same. Okay. What I show you to you, see, if you open the door or close the door, activated the light. There you go. Let me close it. Then let's see if we can open the engine compartment. Oh, beautiful. We can see the engine compartment, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. It's chrome in there. Remember, this one is the most advanced vehicle on the 80s. There you go. Beautiful. All black. You can see the running light over there. Wheels are rubber. Beautiful. Nice. What do you call this one? I got blank again. Rim. There you go. Beautiful. Get side mirror. You can open the door. You know, this one is a very advanced vehicle. If you can see the detail over there, all those gauges and everything in the front. And K.I.T.T have, you know, his steering wheel is not round. It's like, you know, doing like that. Beautiful. Nice chair. There you go. A semi bucket seat. Nice. Then you can see the brake and accelerator. I'm assuming this one is a automatic vehicle. Okay. You got the T-top. This one have a T-top. They call it T-top. This one. If you don't have the center, I believe they call it sunroof or moonroof. In the back, there's no turning light or signal light over here or backlight, but we can open the rear. That's a huge compartment right there. There you go. This one is a 4-seater at the same time, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. There you go. There's side mirror. Yep. There's some reflector, if you can see over there, like shine a little bit. Nicey, nicey, beautiful. Okay, now let's do car. We're gonna unbox car. Okay, put it over here. And this one is car, the Neminis of K.I.T.T. Okay, that's the problem. I don't know where I put the RC, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. My special tools. There's some tape over here that we need to take it off. There you go. And assuming you still need it on that side. Over here, there's another tape. There you go. Nicey, nicey. I love it. I love it. There you go. Now we can pull it out, Mr. Car. At the same time, you know, there's a instruction over here. Let me put this one in the side. I'm assuming this one is, you know, is how to replace the battery. Battery. Okay. And on different languages. There's some English, Hispanic. Oh, it's rolling nice. There you go. One side. Now we're gonna use our special tools. Tanan! Okay. Let's take this one off. There you go, taking off. Oh, by the way, while I'm taking this one off, I just want to say thank you so much for my beloved sponsor for getting these two beautiful bagels. Thank you so much, and I very appreciate it so much. Okay, let's put that one aside. There you go. I think we still need a scissor. We need to cut those tape. There you go. That what you hear is trunks barking. Maybe there's a bird or something in the backyard. Okay. Bam. Beautiful. Same thing. When you open or close the door and the lights start moving. If you can see, K.I.T.T have a red one, and K.A.R.R have a yellow amber color. So almost identical. There's a it's almost identical. Only the difference I think is the color. There's like a amber color in the back. Oh, they put some small tape over here. There you go. Let me take it off. Okay, let's check K.A.R.R. They're almost identical. Only the difference is the color in the bottom. Okay, same thing. The engine. If you can see the engine, let me see the under. Okay, the bottom. Okay. Only I think this two car is only the difference is the color in the bottom. If you can see the engine over there, the engine compartment, nice. They did it good. You got side mirror, and this one it have like a gray in the bottom, black and gray. That's how you're gonna identify these two beautiful vehicle. If this one is K.A.R.R. Let's check the there. Check the apparatus gauges. You can see the brake and accelerator over there. I'm assuming this one is automatic vehicle too. There you go. Let's open the trunk. Beautiful. Nicey. Same thing, rubber, and even the rim are the same. Beautiful, nicey. Identical. I don't know if we got at least I know K.A.R.R is a different manufacturer. I'm not sure. Okay, so let's do the road test. Let's do K.I.T.T first. It's rolling. rolling. Beautiful. It's rolling. Car is beautiful. See? Only the difference of two vehicle, I believe. I'm looking at it. Is the light in the front. One is orange, one is red. Same thing over here. T-top. T-top. How about the dot? This one have a small dot over here. I think I'm assuming that's for the T-top. See, that's the dot I'm mentioning over here. There's a dot. But the rest is look like identical. Let me see. The mirror style, even here. See the hood style, the intake or somehow. The headlights, these ones are headlights. I don't see any difference of these two vehicles. There's almost the same. If you check in the back, yeah, only the difference the color. You can open the rear, same color at the same time, because probably they're brothers. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thank you for watching. Thank you for your time, and please watch the second part of the video, the it's turntable time. Yeah, even the gasoline cup, same. Under the chassis, identical. Only the difference is the color, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. If you got car, if you paint it black, it's kit already. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. And please watch the second part of the video, that it's turntable time. And I'm always reminding everybody, please, 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 if you're gonna ride, always be defensive. Bye.